You are.
So they're doing the cinnamon challenge. Okay, here they go.
Wait.
Ready?
Are you putting it all the way back? No, not all the way back. I'm just putting it in my mouth. So
Ready?
All right, ready?
Okay, hold on.
You swear to God you're gonna do it. I swear to God I'm gonna do
Okay,
it.
here's some water. Ready?
Wait, that's my
water.
Put the water down.
It's my water.
Nice, Kayla.
Nick, get out of here now. 'Cause I'm
Okay,
gonna-
hopefully they'll do it and stop
Ready?
choking.
Ready? 1,
Hold on.
2. Are you ready? Stop laughing, bro. I'll choke on it.
Ready. Get closer, guys, so I can get both of you at the same time.
2, 3. Oh my God! It burns! Oh my God! I'm gonna die. That was disgusting. That was.
I'll smack my back out.
My teeth.
So that's how you do the cinnamon challenge, because they're stupid. Anyways, bye.